Well, a North Texas jury has awarded a California family more than $30 million for a deadly accident involving a truck from Oncor Electric. And tonight, our Marvin Hurst has some new video from that crash, the allegations, and what all led up to that major settlement.
A video presented in court and provided by attorneys. There's an 18-wheeler parked on the shoulder of westbound 635, the 3700 block. Just behind the text that says, "Do not distribute," is a truck driver from California. You can't see him, so here's his face.
He came from California to Dallas. He dropped off strawberries grown in California, and he was picking up Texas beef and bringing it back to California.
Shamser Singh moved to the Fresno, California area in 2016. He was married with 2 daughters and a son. They last saw the 52-year-old before his trip to Texas, back on 635 in Dallas.
He was outside the vehicle for only 48 seconds before this crash happened.
An Oncor truck smashed into Singh's big rig.
He's on the ground. He's trying to look at something on his vehicle, and he has time to do nothing else before the Oncor driver crashes into the back of him.
These are images from his family's wrongful death suit against Oncor Electric Delivery Company. They say the driver was not paying attention. CBS News Texas is not naming the employee who still works for Oncor because he did not face criminal charges.
If he had his eyes on the road, if he was looking ahead of him, he would have seen Mr. Singh's vehicle and could have avoided the crash.
Was he in fact distracted, and if so, by what?
We made the allegation that he was distracted by his cell phone. There was data showing a cell phone data session active at the time of the crash.
But the attorney could not say if a text, a phone call, or the internet caused this crash. However, the video did become the cornerstone of their case. A jury sided with the victim's family, awarding more than $30 million. Singh's family completed a mission.
They wanted us to find out what happened, to hold Oncor responsible, and to try to prevent this from happening again.
The exact amount of the judgment depends on which side you speak with, but it is more than $30 million. In a statement, Oncor said, quote, "This was a tragic and heartbreaking accident. Our sympathies remain with Mr. Singh's family and their loved ones. We appreciate the jury's consideration and have no further comment at this time." Singh's family is back in California after driving through the area where they lost the one who meant more than millions.
That this family will never be the same.
Marvin Hurst, CBS News, Texas.